Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Noah, and recently I hit 10,000 subscribers. That happened at around December, and since then the channel has continued to grow. So first off, I want to say thank you to everyone who continues to support my content, everyone who has subscribed, and for everyone who leaves comments underneath my videos. 10,000 subscribers is not a huge milestone by any means, but I've been doing YouTube for over 2 years, so hitting this milestone means a lot to me. I try and be as transparent on my channel as possible, so continuing in that theme, I wanted to do a video dedicated to showing you all of my revenue streams and breaking down exactly how I make money with this channel. Currently, where I'm at, I mainly have 3 revenue streams. As my channel continues to grow, I plan on adding more revenue streams, so I'm going to be talking about all of that at the end, and I'm going to be breaking down YouTube as a business model for me. Hopefully this can give you an insight into how I run this YouTube channel, as well as maybe if you're a creator, you can get some insight for how you want to run your own channel and how you can make money off of your content. I make money off of YouTube in 3 main ways. The first is through ad revenue, and the second is through coaching calls. The third is through affiliate marketing. So let's break each of those down and go over all of the revenues for each revenue stream. The first way that I make money on YouTube is through ad revenue. Every time someone watches an ad before my video, I get a kickback from YouTube. YouTube is owned by Google, and companies can run their ads across Google services, such as on their search as well as on YouTube. When a company wants to run an ad on YouTube, they pay YouTube, and then YouTube will place their ad on one of the creator's videos or on the side, and then they do a split between how much the YouTube creator gets as well as how much YouTube takes. That split is 45% for YouTube and 55% for the creator. You can also get paid through other means on YouTube, like if you have a membership or if you get sponsored chats, or if someone has YouTube Premium, if anyone actually uses that and they watch your videos. Now, the amount that you get paid differs on the category that you make videos for. So someone who makes vlogs or someone who makes gaming videos is going to get paid less per 1,000 views of an ad than I do, because I'm in the entrepreneurship space, which has a higher CPM. So let's go over what a CPM is. So as you'll see for my channel, over the entire lifetime of my channel, this channel has generated $14,348.06. During that time, I've gotten 450,000 views and I've gotten 38,000 hours of watch time. So going into the revenue tab of my channel, you'll see that my playback-based CPM is $71. CPM stands for cost per milli, and that basically means for every 1,000 views of an ad on one of my videos, I've made $71, which is very high for YouTube. However, I do get a lot less views than gaming videos or vlogs because entrepreneurship videos are not as popular. So to compensate that, you get paid more, but you get less views. Not everyone who views my videos is going to view an ad, as well as some people who view ads do skip them. So the actual metric that you want to look at is RPM. This stands for revenue per milli, and it takes all of your views and it divides that by your revenue. So the total amount of money that I've made per view is I get actually $31 per 1,000 views, which is still very high in terms of making money through ad revenue on YouTube. So we've covered the first metric, which is ad revenue. The second way that I make money is by offering coaching calls and one-on-one services to people who want to go ahead and talk to me about Amazon or selling on Walmart or really any topic. Under all of my videos, I have a link to my Calendly page, and anyone can go and schedule a call, and then they would pay for a call. In addition to my Calendly page, I also have a Clarity page, which you can sign up for, and then people can request to have a call with you. So from Clarity, I've made a total of $1,032, and from Calendly, I've made a total of $3,575. The last way that I make money on YouTube is through affiliate marketing. This is where I go ahead and I promote services that I use, and anyone who signs up through my link, I get a small kickback. The 3 services that I promote are Scan Unlimited. I'm also an affiliate for SellerChamp, as well as I'm also an affiliate for Smart Scout Pro. So in total for affiliate marketing, I've made $1,113.48. That brings the total revenue for this channel to $20,342.71. I started this YouTube channel in 2018. However, I was not able to monetize it until 2019, and I didn't start promoting products through affiliate marketing, as well as I also didn't start offering my coaching services really until 2020. So the bulk of the revenue was made towards the end of 2020 and in the first few months so far of 2021. However, like with any business, there are always expenses, and for my business, a lot of the money that I make off of YouTube goes directly back into the business in order to go ahead and improve the quality of my videos, go ahead and get new software to make running my business easier, and all of those expenses are totaled out here. So for my editors and my thumbnails, I've probably paid close to around $6,000. That's an estimate, and it probably might be more, but as you can see, if you go back to my earlier videos, they were not as good. So I hired an editor to go ahead and edit my videos, as well as I've also gone ahead and I've hired someone to improve my thumbnails. The next expense is software, and there's a lot of things that get counted up here. Everything from my Calendly, which did cost me about $100 for the yearly subscription, as well as I also pay for a subscription to the Adobe services in order to get access to video editing software and voice recording software. The other software I use is Loom. That's to go ahead and record my screen. And the last software that I mainly use is Kajabi. This is where I run all of my courses, as well as I also host my website there. So the total for my software expense is around $1,000. Again, that's an estimate, and it's probably a lot higher than that. The last category we have is equipment. So this is on my new camera that I bought, which cost me $1,000. That's also on this microphone, which cost me about $130, as well as other equipment like lighting, also other stuff that just go back into improving the quality of this channel. So the total estimate for the expenses on this channel are about $10,000, which leaves a total profit of $10,342.71. Of course, that's not including taxes, which would probably make this a lot less. So currently I only have 3 main revenue streams for this channel. However, going forward, I definitely want to increase that. The ways that I do plan to increase that is I do plan to launch some digital products or some digital mentorships in the future where people can go ahead and they can attend a work class or they can go ahead and attend a coaching service. Going forward, I also hope to make a lot more YouTube videos, and the more videos that you make, then hopefully the more ad revenue that this channel will see. So definitely in the future, I have a lot more ideas and I have a lot of ways to go ahead and grow this business in particular. The last thing that I want to say is that I did not get into YouTube to start making money. I got into YouTube because there was no one else on YouTube talking about wholesale drop shipping or utilizing wholesale suppliers drop shipping programs in order to go ahead and use that for fulfillment to your customer. As far as I know, I definitely run a pretty unique business model. I'm definitely not the only one, but I work with wholesale dropshipping suppliers and I sell on over 7 marketplaces. So there's definitely not a lot of people who are utilizing that business model. For my business in particular, I've had to go ahead and I've had to piece every single software that I use in my business because there are a lot of softwares that are designated for one purpose. However, there was no software that was designated for wholesale dropshipping up until recently. So I wanted to share my experience and create videos, content geared towards my business model to help people either who are already in the business model and are looking for a particular solution, or helping people who want to get into the business. Again, I want to thank each and every one of you who subscribe to the channel, who continues to support my content. I have a lot more videos planned and a lot more videos coming out, so definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace.